There are a lot of settings to change inside your M car, but it's easier than you think. First, you can go to your setup button, and from here you can see things like engine, chassis, steering, brakes even, and you can choose between Sport or Sport Plus. But what if I told you that you actually have your M1 and M2 button? Now, these are the M shortcuts. If you press each button, it takes you to whatever preferred setting you had. Now, to do so, you just simply go to Configuration, and from here you can choose whatever you would prefer. If you want M1 to be comfortable, do comfortable. But if you want M2 to be crazy, do crazy. How to make your BMW sound from this to this. Now, to use this is fairly simple. You just press M mode, and then from there you will have three options. Now, the first option, road mode, is the standard mode. This is where all safety systems are switched on and your infotainment is nice and comfortable. But once you go to something like sports mode, things tend to get a little bit crazy. Now, some of your safety systems are switched off, as well as things like your tire temperatures. Your rev counter is all displayed in things like your heads-up display. And lastly, track mode. This is for the enthusiasts, because now things like your entire screen switches off. All safety systems are switched off. You are now ready for the track. And now you know.